Hey guys, in this video I'm going to go through an example of evaluating a derivative at a given point, and we're going to be using the product rule to differentiate the function. A similar question to this was asked in the 2021 Maths Methods Exam 1, and only 43% of the students got full marks. Not being able to derive the square root function properly or evaluating it at a given point was the common mistake. And so hopefully, after watching this video, you should feel confident answering these types of questions. And so reading this question, we've got if f of x equals x times the square root of 2x minus 4, find f dash of 6. To find f dash of 6, we first need to find f dash of x. To find f dash of x, we need to use the product rule, which is vu dash plus uv dash. And so if we let u equal x, then u dash is going to be 1. V is going to be the square root of 2x minus 4, and since we're going to derive this, it's best to write this in power form, which is 2x minus 4 to the power of a half. From here, we need to use the quick chain rule method to derive this, and so we're going to get v dash is equal to the derivative of the outside function, which is going to be a half times 2x minus 4 to the power of minus a half, multiplied by the derivative of the inside function, and so this is going to be multiplied by 2. And so this 2 and this 2 will cancel out, and so v dash is going to equal 2x minus 4 to the power of minus a half. And so f dash of x is going to equal v times u dash, which is 2x minus 4 to the power of a half times 1. And so we can write this as the square root of 2x minus 4 plus u times v dash. And so this is going to be x times 1 over the square root of 2x minus 4, since 2x minus 4 to the power of minus a half is the same as 1 over the square root of 2x minus 4. Simplifying this, if we put this over 1 and then multiply the denominators, we're going to get the denominator is equal to the square root of 2x minus 4. And then if we cross multiply the numerators, we're going to get the square root of 2x minus 4 times itself, so this is going to become 2x minus 4, and then we're going to get plus x. And so simplifying this is going to be 2x plus x, which is 3x, then minus 4 over the square root of 2x minus 4. From here, to evaluate f dash of 6, all we need to do is sub in x is equal to 6 into the rule of f dash of x. And so this is going to be 3 times 6, which is 18, and then minus 4 over the square root of 2 times 6, which is 12, and then minus 4. And so this is going to be 14 over the square root of 8. We know that the square root of 8 is equal to 2 root 2, and so this is going to become 14 over 2 root 2. This will become 1, this will become a 7, and so this is going to equal 7 on root 2. And if we multiply this by root 2 over root 2, then we're going to get f dash of 6 is equal to 7 times root 2 over 2. And that's it for this question. Hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, give it a thumbs up or comment below and let me know. And now that you know how to answer this question, you should be able to answer the Maths Methods exam question from the 2021 paper. To do this, just log into the Maths Methods Club, and then from the main topic, select Differentiation. And then from the subtopic, select Chain, Product or Quotient Rule, and then click on Filter. This is then going to instantly group all the past Maths Methods exam questions into just this topic. Try out and see if you can answer question 1 from the 2021 paper, and see if you can get full marks. After that, try out all these other questions to test your understanding on the topic of quotient rule, chain rule, or product rule. And if you wanted to break down these questions even more, you can go to question type and select tech-free, multiple choice, or extended response. If you select tech-free and then click on filter, this is going to instantly group all the past methods exam questions related to this topic found in exam 1. Go through these questions and see how you go. Good luck, and I'll see you guys in the next video.